How to remove watermark from a video without blur. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can remove a watermark from any video without using the blur effect. So let's get started. Now the software that we're going to be using is called iMyFone Mark Go. This is a watermark remover, and over here once you install it, this is how it's going to look like. So over here it's AI video and image watermark, free remove, Filmora, it depends on you. So we're going to be using this one, and you'll just simply click on over here. As you can see, we have a bunch of different options. We have remove image watermark, remove video watermark. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and click over here onto remove video watermark and add the video. So this is the video right here. Now what we want to do is we want to remove. Now we can either use the AI removal or the manual remover. It depends on you. So for now, we'll just choose AI remover and click on remove now. It is iStock. Now we just add in the name, then click on next, give it some time, and we should be good to go. And as you can see, the logo is gone. However, if I come over here, the logo is still present over here, but that's because I just wanted to show you the difference. And if you come over here, the logo is gone. So that is how you do it. That is how you remove a watermark from a video without blur. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.